Hello and welcome to Nails for Sanam. In this video we are going to create a beautiful nail art for toes, and then you can rock with the summer sandals. Also, I'm sharing my outfit of the day, classic red and black, and with the black heels and some accessories. But before I shot this video, I had a broken toenail. Oh no, which I turned into this. So keep watching. So first we're going to use the cuticle remover to smooth out the nails. This is very important. It removes all the dead skin around the cuticle area. Now you can use the 4-way buffer to smooth out the nail surface so that nail paint glides very easily. So it's 4 steps, and you can see the nail is shiny and smooth compared to my thumbnail. Wow, it's ready for nail paint. So I'm going to paint it red using this Kiss gel polish. It's absolutely gorgeous red color. I really love it. But look, on my other toenail, I just broke it before this video. I bumped into the furniture. But I'm gonna make it look really nice. So here I'm using the glue stickers and acrylic nail. I just glued the toenail and it stays really well. Now it's time to paint it. And you can't really tell that it's a acrylic one because it sticks so well. Now I'm going to design it random abstract design. You can design it any way that you like. So here my design is complete, and do the other toes, and now apply the top coat. This is my favorite top coat, and you can also use water decals if you're not fan of painting, but my toenails are ready to rock. Now this is my outfit of the day. Let's dress and get out. So how you like this video? You can also check out my other nail art videos in red, and also the sticker. I'll link everything in the description box. So that's all for today. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'm sure to bring out more videos for you guys. Thank you for watching.